Welcome everyone, my name is Jessica and this is Simple, Cheap and Easy DIYs. Make sure you watch my last episode after you watch this episode. I'm going to start off by taking 2 of these wooden boxes that I got at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take the inside portion out, and we're going to be using the 2 outer portions and 1 inner portion. So once I have those taken apart, I'm going to use my apple barrel paint in the color Snow White, and I'm going to give 1 thin coat to all 3 of the boxes. And this is what it'll look like with 1 coat of paint. It lets a little bit of the wood color come through. Once that paint is fully dry, I'm going to take my apple barrel paint in the color Burnt Umber, and using a foam brush, I'm just going to lightly paint the sides on all 4 corners and the top and bottom, as you can see me doing here. And here's what it will look like once I have all 3 boxes completed, and we will be softening that brown up here in a little bit. But first I'm going to take this bird stencil that I got from Dollar Tree, and using some of the masking tape, I'm just going to cover up all the pieces that I don't want to have the spackle in. And then once I have that fully done, I'm just going to take my finger and some of the lightweight spackle from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to cover in the areas that I want to stencil. And I'm not going to put it too heavy, but I'm just going to spread it out over the entire stencil portion, as you can see here. And then I'm going to gently lift the stencil up, and it will leave a 3D image of the birds. I'm going to do that on all 3 boxes and then let that fully dry. Now taking my Snow White paint, I'm going to coat the entire box, including the bird, with another thin coat, and I'm going to repeat that on all 3 boxes. Once the paint is dry, this is what it will look like. Now you can glue the boxes down if you'd like, but I chose not to in case I want to rearrange them. And I'm just going to place the 2 bigger boxes on the bottom and the smaller box on the top, and then I'm just going to fill it with different florals from Dollar Tree, and you can always use whichever florals you prefer, but I'm just going to fill all 3 boxes in. And here's today's completed project. I do like how these give a concrete look to them, but you can always paint them a different color if you'd like, or change out the florals. Leave me a comment down below and let me know how you like today's project. Till next time, hope you have a nice day.